those are about to go into this.
Now, you guys know the video's not complete without the actual wheels. Oh, sneak peek. Oh, man. Big day today, big day today. I don't know if you guys can tell. Your return from Utah, you're famous now. Let them know. If you guys don't know, this guy went to Utah, made it big. Now it's this guy's turn. Because what? What do we got in the trunk today?
We got cool PCs.
Good
once
package.
Again,
Third time's the charm, you guys. You guys have been asking for this build. Like I said, you guys, big day today. 2.0 10th gen Honda Accord is gonna come in for its makeover. We're gonna be slamming this thing yet again, third time. The owner himself, the tuner himself over there. Better make that's all you need. So like we said, third time's a charm. Brother, what color is this?
Norado gray. I think
Exactly. We gone with this color, but beast is in the trunk. You know how Natives does it. We might make this 2.0 into a static beast. Very good package. The best of the best. If you guys remember from previous videos, we've been running the BCs. We absolutely love them. Hopefully they sponsor us in the future. Not to mention, we're gonna be running the Swift Springs yet again. It's like Christmas all over again. Remember, this guy's a technician now. So he knows how to do everything. We don't know, but we scored today for sure. BC Racing, man. Custom coilovers, man.
Popped it open.
Our certification of authenticity, our sponsorship stickers, and then of course the instruction manuals, but we've been doing this for a while now, so we don't need these. What we need is this. Oh my God.
Oh my, it's a boy.
It's a boy. A healthy boy too.
Damn, I haven't seen a coil in a minute, bro.
All right, so while we let Johnson unpack his gift, Henry's been taking his cat out for a walk.
No!
And he's very disappointed on the results for the outcome. Damn. So what is up, you guys? Welcome back to yet another YouTube video. It's been a minute, an absolute minute. If you guys have been following the channel, we picked up an Evo, but today we're doing something special. We're gonna be installing some coilovers for the boy Johnson and his 2.0 Honda Accord. Apart from that, do not mind the face. As long as the cars are healthy and running, we're good. What better view? When the jacks come out, when the tools come out, when the parts come in, and the boys are gonna get down on it. Crazy to think. Nardo Gray 2.0 10th gen Accord. First in the city, that's for sure. First one doing it, big time. We don't gotta explain too much. You guys already know, first things first, always jack up the car. We're not gonna go too in depth. This is gonna be more of a vibe video. We're just gonna, cut straight through it, show you guys the end results, go on a test drive, and we'll see if Henry ends up buying the car.
Thank you.
Exactly. So let's get to it. All right, so we got the coilovers, we have the tools, the car is jacked up. Tuner, what are we missing?
Wheel lights.
Wheel locks. If you guys don't know, most modern cars are equipped with a wheel lock, and our boy Johnson was so excited, he forgot to bring it. So what does that mean? We're gonna have to put this video on pause for the next 2 seconds.
Sorry for the delay.
Sorry for the delay. 2 seconds later, we're back. Let's get it. Straight to the build. So wheels are off. Next thing's next. Sway bar end link, 2 bolts in the back, and then top 3, and then new coils on. First one out. Time for the coil. Henry's already prepped. Quick comparison for you guys. You guys can see the drastic drop. Very, I would say maybe here, even like 4 inches, give or take, maybe even more. But stock and extreme low BCs. You guys know us, we like to full send it. We leave no space in between. We like it tight.
For the real niggas?
Exactly. So, drastic difference. OEM, aftermarket. Let's slap these in. Align the new one in. Toss on some bolts, and we're good to go. Second one off. Time for the coil. Coil's in. Slap the wheel on. We move to the rear. Quick sneak peek for y'all. On top of the actual coilover install, we're doing a front fender lining delete, just so we don't have any rubbing issues. Back in action. Swift spring in. BC coil in. Wheels going on. What you thinking? 1 hour. That's all. Back in action. Fronts lowered. Rears lowered. Y'all see it. Man. He's back. It's hey. Yeah. Now you guys know the video's not complete without the actual wheels. Oh, sneak peek. Big moves, big moves. Y'all stay tuned. But like I said, we couldn't finish out the video, just the coilover install without actually doing the wheels. We're about to do the fitment. We're about to slap on the wheels. If you guys remember from previous videos, coming soon. Exhaust tips
Static,
coming
bro,
soon.
that shit popped out today.
No way.
Yeah.
Static life. You guys got to watch out for the freaking driveways. But we're going to get it up in the... Are we going to do the lift today or what? Oh, are those... Whoa.
Whoa, whoa,
Oh.
whoa.
But anyways, yeah, I think we're going to get it on the lift. We're going to go from there. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys. Let's take a quick last look at the stockish, at the static stockish look. That boy's driving a boat. Before we actually get it up on the lift and toss on his new wheels. And on top of that, my boy, now you're good. All right. Talk to the people, talk to the people.
Try to change the fitment.
Try to change the fitment.
Little fender rollers.
Slight fender rolls.
So we can make these wheels fit.
Just so we can make them fit. If you guys remember, stay tuned. But let's get into it. All right, so due to the fact that we are running, well, basically static, these lifts aren't that low profile friendly.
What the fuck?
Oh, they got karaoke in the house.
Shit.
Johnson. Anyways,
Yes,
we basically we got it ready. About to roll some fenders. Take out the stockies and toss on that new stuff. And up we go. If y'all looking for some stock Accord wheels, tap in with my boy Johnson. He's gonna be selling these for 500 for the pair, or for the set. Tap in, tap in. You guys, so before the actual mounting of the wheels, which you can see the reflection right here, we're gonna do a quick rear fender roll, clean up the whole quarter panel, heat it up with the heat gun, and then hit it with the fender roller, just so we have clearance. No, just so we don't have any clearance issues. You guys tap in if you guys need your fenders rolled. This guy right here, best in the business. Well, fender is rolled, wheels are on. Only thing left, take the front ones off, slap the wheels on, bring her down. All right, y'all, last but not least, front passenger side. Then we can drop it and reveal it. Man, this looks gonna look crazy though. Oof. Sneak peeks, sneak peeks. Oh man. And just like that, you guys, boy Johnson is yet again static and with a fresh look on the V1 Nismo Triple Chromes. Check them out. That looks tough. Let us know what you guys think. Are we building out this Honda Accord the proper way or what? The boy Oscar approves. The color combo is nuts. Not to mention the fitment we've achieved. Might run a space in the front. We'll see what the owner decides. We'll see what Johnson decides, but God, he is back for sure. He is back. Man, looks like a land shark. I'm telling you. But just like that, boy is back. Some words for the people.
Man, we back outside. Hey, just make it happen. No matter what the circumstances is.
Just make it happen.
Make it happen.
Natives makes it happen.
Haters does